Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So stocks that's ready to explode. So let's take a look at it, guys, because as we know, like I told you guys in the previous video, we know midterm election is tomorrow, November the 8th on Tuesday. Usually, historically, judging by, what we've seen in the past, usually human nature tends to stay the same. The market tends to repeat itself. Usually what we'll see during midterm election is a bullish rally during those times, guys. And we already anticipating on the market to reverse and run, whether it hold and sustain itself and continue to go higher, or if it comes back down. Because that's why I told you guys prepare for and pay attention to. I already was expecting the market to be bullish, but we seen in the past it still was coming down lower. Some stocks that was hit over 70%, dropping another 25% on Friday. It's just been insane. So I told you guys we watch for that particular thing, being for the fact that I'm expecting for the market to go crazy, run up again, and come back down and make lower lows. But instead, it could actually be the opposite. They could already go ahead and price in the lowest the stock market is going to go. And once it start to go bullish, it ain't gonna be no more going back like a lot of people was expecting, being for the fact that I already priced it in. It already did what we was expecting it to do after it ran up. So as we know, guys, that's why I say if you waiting to get quality companies, or you trying to wait for the best price, I wouldn't wait. As of where the market sits now, I will go ahead and start accumulating, easing my way in. And you don't have to buy all at one time, guys. If you got $1,000 you want to put in the company, you can buy 100 here, 200 there, 300 there. And as you build out that position and get you a dollar cost average, and it'll be lower than just buying in at one specific price. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So some stocks that we got on the radar is Coinbase. Coinbase came down to a support level, major support level at $54 a day. That was a good buy-in price point. If you got Coinbase in your radar, every time it came down to that level, it bounced right off of it, guys. So we know in the market, a lot of the market is building anticipation, because historically, like I told you guys in the previous video, the midterm election usually send the market in an uproar and a rally. And that's exactly what we already preparing for. This last hour, we see we got a lot of aggressiveness going towards the upside looking at the market. So also, I know a lot of people got Digital World Accusation, ticker symbol DWAC on their radar. Trump, one of Trump's stocks, it's up over 60% today, and a lot of this is building up anticipation on Trump announcing his run. So as we know, Trump's supposed to be running for president in 2024. So if he come out and actually sits, say it, confirm it, and do all this good stuff, then that stock could possibly rally even more, guys. But of course, it's going to be very choppy, a lot of volatility. Never chase, never buy just because you see it going up. Always wait for that pullback. And you may say, hey, well, what if the pullback don't happen? Oh well, it's thousands and millions of opportunities in the market every day. So don't be mad whenever you miss one. That's how you set yourself up for failure. So the next banger we got on the list, guys, is Carvana. We made money off Carvana today. It's definitely something you don't really want to touch. I'm all about price action. I could care less what Carvana got going on with the fundamentals of the business, guys. Just as we seen this morning, and this how we know price action is price action. It came down to $6.90, 89 cents this morning, and popped right back to around $7.90. That's $1. That's $1 in between, and that's exactly how you take advantage of the meat of the mood. And that's what's taking place now. I sold out for the gains, made $700, $800, and then we bought right back in towards the last hour of the day, as I knew it was going to come back down. It wasn't ready to go just yet, and bought back in, and now it's already starting to reverse and revisit the high that it had after the dip on today around that $7.80, $7.90. So you could definitely look for that to possibly, go back towards $8, $9. It's a lot of potential there to make some quick, fast money. I advise to get in and get out, rinse and repeat. So the next bang on the list is Meta. Facebook, as we know, Facebook is back in a uptrend. It's up over 5.6% today. As we also know that Facebook is letting go some of their staff and going to be able to save some money on the back end from doing so. So we got Meta, Coinbase, DWAC, Tilray, guys. You definitely want to have Tilray on your radars as well, because the midterm election, it has a lot to do with marijuana being legalized around the states as well. So if that goes on the right end of the stick, you're going to see marijuana sector booming. So regardless of what happened, I believe that's going to come to pass. Like I told you guys, I believe EV and marijuana is going to be the future of our future. Just saying, as far as the opportunity to get in early and make 10x, 20x, 30x on your money, and possibly even more in the future. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.